It's Thursday, July 11th, just following up on Tesla. I just decided to take my gains here overall. Bought some puts here as it was kind of making this two up, two down on the 15-minute chart. I had a big drop. I bought the puts at 265 puts here at 6. I scaled out at 11 to set I was trading. I just exited the rest trade at 17.27. They're 14 right now, so it's settling in a little bit, but really nice gain here on these puts in a very short period of time after dropping strongly. On the daily chart, you kind of expected after it took out the high of that bar and then got to the midpoint of that bar, it was going to take out that low and then work towards these targets. So that's what it's kind of done here. Now, we'll see if this ends up a big red bar. Maybe it'll follow through lower, but it's possible that we're just getting higher highs and lower lows and an overall uptrend, and there'll be buying coming in. I think there's going to be buying coming in on this stock. Anytime it hits low, it's just a question of where. But anyway, given the volatility, you had a feeling it would kind of work down towards these lows down here. Now it's pausing. So we'll see how this bar ends up. It's going to be a 3 bar either way. But anyway, you could see here a lot of buying comes in at some point, and we just happen to have a big flush down. So good trade on Tesla. Sometimes you get kind of a good break like that where, you're kind of seeing the market failing, higher highs here, had an opportunity for an entry here just to take out some of these stops, and then it went all the way down to these stops. So we'll just see where this ends up for the rest of the day. Overall downtrend, so, we'll just have to see. And then, eventually there might be a good 3, 2 down, 2 up type of buy developing, but we're just going to have to see how this weekly chart ends up, and maybe it falls back into this gap a little more. But overall, look for buy signals in the big picture, but today was a good trade to the downside.